Right here is your electronic air horn button. You press the button and it honks the electronic horn. So this has traffic advisor. You can turn on the traffic advisor and you can change the mode. It's plugged in to cigarette lighter plug, and you just push the right button to change to a different mode. As you click through, the flash pattern will change. This is the more affordable, and this does the ticket. Every time you push, it changes the mode.
To the canyon!
And to good company.
Best trip ever.
The view is incredible.
Cheers to that. Cheers!